Hello everyone! So you may take your seats. So once again, welcome to our USANA Versity Module 1. And this afternoon, it's gonna be filled with learnings kasi just like last week. Anyway, sorry, before I start, by a show of hands, sino dito yung less than 3 months pa lang sa USANA? Pwede pataas? So marami-rami din. So anyway, just like last week, no, we're gonna discuss number 1, how to sell your products. So why is that important? So ako, personally, I've been doing the business for over a decade. And when I joined USANA, I really was very excited kasi wala akong trabaho, wala akong source of income. So, nangutang ako to get into this. I borrowed a credit card of a friend. Sabi ko, sige, pag nabenta ko naman yung products, bayaran ko yung friend ko, tubo pa naman ako. Pero when I got the products na, that's when it hit me. Sabi ko, oh my God, kanino ko ba ito bibenta? Sabi ko, may bibili ba talaga ng vitamins na 2,000, 3,000 pesos? And for a lot of people who join USANA, so that's common. You're excited, but at the same time, you're clueless when it comes to what you need to do pagdating dito sa business. So, ngayon, ang title ng training natin is Winning with Cell Essentials. So, bakit ito yung title? So, Cell Essentials is the flagship product of USANA. So, ito yung multivitamins ng USANA. So, if you're a new distributor, we want you guys to focus on the multivitamins first. Kasi ito pa lang talaga, sobrang laki na talaga ng market. Ang dami-dami mong pwedeng bentahan. So, anyway, so why are we here? So, ngayon, gusto lang natin, number 1, magkaroon ka ng solid customer base and at the same time, magkaroon ka ng madaling track when it comes to hitting your PPPS. So, right now, kung titingnan mo, is there such a huge market for USANA? May demand ba talaga? And FYI, in case you're not aware, right now, so many Filipinos are dying because of degenerative diseases. So, for people who do not come from medical backgrounds, imagine this. From the time you're born up to like age 21, everything that's happening inside your body is you're developing, growing until you reach your early 20s. Pero by the time you reach a certain point in your life, whether you like it or not, regardless of religion, regardless kung you're a healthy person or what, yung organs talaga in our body, nagkakaroon tayo ng wear and tear. So just imagine, kung yung kotse, kahit anong alaga mo sa kotse, di ba, darating talaga yung time, as you use it, even if you don't use it, basta tumatagal, di ba, naluluma yung kotse. So yung body natin, when we say degenerative diseases, ito yung nagiging luma and nagkakasira-sira yung organs in the body. So probably in your 20s, you may have a perfect 20/20 vision. But as time goes by, whether sinasadya mo or what, lumalabo yung mata natin. So, even if you're a healthy human being, pero yung kidneys natin, liver natin, blood vessels natin, nagiging marupok. So ngayon, if it comes to a point na bumigay na yung heart mo, bumigay na yung kidney mo, that's the time meron magmamanifest na sakit in our body. So imagine mo to, if your parents right now, they have maintenance, meaning to say they're taking antihypertensives, anticoagulant, anti-cholesterol, gamot for the liver. So, what brought about that disease condition? It's because dahan-dahan nang pumapalya yung organs ng parents natin. So, if you're a person naman, you're in your 20s, you're in your 30s, tayo kasi out of sight, out of mind. I'm 20, I'm 30, wala naman akong nararamdaman. For now. Or wala kang nararamdaman, but you don't know, sira naman na pala yung liver mo, it will only take like 6 months to 1 year, meron ka na ring sakit. And it's so unfortunate for Filipinos, alam mo yung darating yung time you're 40, tapos nahilo-hilo ka, pumunta ka sa clinic, tapos nirefer ka sa doktor, tapos sasabihin ng doktor, oh, you're hypertensive, kailangan mag-take ka na ng anti-hypertensive meds. So ngayon, ano yung thinking ng Filipino? Tumatanda na kasi ako may maintenance na ako. But the reality is, it doesn't mean na matanda ka na, meron kang dapat maintenance. It's just that you're really not just taking good care of your health. So, ngayon, if you don't start taking care of your health, you're gonna be part of the statistic. You're gonna be part of the 7 out of 10. So, that's the dire reality. Ngayon, at the same time, ito, from the Department of Health itself, sabi nila, 1 out of 5 Filipinos, they have mental health issues. So that's quite scary. Pero sabi ko, sa totoo lang, at this day and age, considering gaano ba nakaka-stress talaga yung buhay, just imagine, if you're an honest, hardworking individual, you're a college graduate, trabaho ka ng trabaho, tas habol ka ng habol ng bills, parang wala namang pinupuntahan yung buhay mo. While at the same time, di ba, just going to work, yung commute, di ba, it's so stressful already. Di ba, parang nakakasira nga naman talaga ng ulo. Sobrang daming pressure. That's why kung titingnan mo, yung sinasabi nila yung mga Gen Z, they're weak. Parang they're not mentally tough. Pero sa totoo lang, iba naman din kasi talaga yung pressures when it comes to the Gen Z, yung mga nagsisimula pa lang ngayon. And at the same time, di ba sabi din ng NEDA, for a person to live comfortably in the Philippines, what's the threshold that they set? Sabi nila, for you to live comfortably, if you have 2 kids, you wanna send them to a good school, hindi public school, you wanna be able to set aside money for travel, you want decent housing, you want a car. Diba? For you to be able to achieve that kind of lifestyle, you need to be earning at least 120,000 per month. Pero kung titingnan mo sa pyramid, di ba, dito sa Philippines, sa income bracketing, parang less than 1 out of 10 or 1 out of 20 lang naman talaga ang kumikita ng 120,000 per month. And ngayon, kung titingnan mo, right now, is USANA relevant? Definitely. Kasi basically, the products that we're pushing, hindi naman to mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. Hindi to kalabasa tablet. Hindi to malunggay capsule, 'di ba? These are scientifically based products talaga that really addresses degenerative diseases. And at the same time, it also provides a good income opportunity for a lot of people. Ngayon, ikaw, kung bagong salta ka dito sa business na to, iniisip mo, malaki ba yung market? Who do I sell to? Parang, I don't know a lot of people. Pero mind you, kung titingnan mo, dito sa Philippines alone, 80%, so when we say 80%, 8 out of 10 or 80 out of 100, they take multivitamins. So grabe, ganun pala kataas yung number. And kung titingnan mo, ilan ba? So, ang 8 out of 10, imagine mo, we're 111 million Filipinos. Easily, that's like 60 to 80 million Filipinos taking vitamins. And at present, I think ang gumagamit ng USANA sa Philippines, out of 60 to 80 million is like 1 to 2 million only. So meaning to say, there are a lot of Filipinos, they're taking vitamins but not USANA. So ganun kalaki yung opportunity. And ngayon, given that fact, sorry, next slide please, ayan. So given that fact, no, it's so amazing to be representing a brand. Kasi ako, when I was new, medyo jahe talaga to be approaching people na you're a USANA distributor, you're doing network marketing. Di ba parang yung thinking, when you join a business like network marketing, parang hala, wala ka na talagang pag-asa sa buhay. Pumatol ka sa ganyang business. Di ba? Nagpa-auto ka sa ganyan, dadamay mo pa kami. So parang when first 2 years ko sa USANA, I felt that way. Parang I wanna share USANA to people, but at the same time, nakakahiya pag nalaman nilang I'm into network marketing. But anyway, business aside, yung founder natin, ano ba yung point? Why was USANA founded? So Dr. Wentz, a renowned scientist, so multi-awarded siya. Ano ba yung point? Why did he establish USANA? Sabi niya, I dream of a world free from pain and suffering of degenerative disease. So imagine mo, ano yung ina-address niya? Degenerative disease. Di ba sabi nga, 7 out of 10 Filipinos, they die of degenerative disease. So that very problem that afflicts a majority of Filipinos, yun yung pinaka-ina-address ni Dr. Wentz through the products. And sabi niya, share my vision, love life, and live it to its fullest in happiness and health. So in short, he wants people to be happy. He wants people to be healthy. Kasi kahit mayaman ka, mahirap ka, di ba if you're sick, wala eh. Talagang kahit sabihin mo may pambayad ka ng nurses, may pambayad ka ng ICU, but who wants to live a sickly life? Di ba? Kahit money will not cure your sickness if you're already terminal, sa totoo lang. So, it's so brilliant, no, yung mission and vision ni Dr. Wentz. Ngayon, for a lot of new ones also, ako when I was new to USANA, parang silently, I was questioning, parang are the products really so good? Or sinasabi lang ng upline ko na maganda yung brand? Kasi nauto na ako eh, di ba? So, ano ba to? Parang hinahype-hype ba yung, is this a hype network marketing brand? Or it's really, really so good as they say? So ngayon, kung titingnan mo, what sets USANA apart? Number one, this is a company founded by a scientist. Not only that, apart from Dr. Wentz, USANA employs 150 PhD scientists full-time. So I've been to the corporate headquarters of USANA, and ako, I'm really so amazed na ang ganda-ganda na ng products. Ano pa bang nire-research nyo? Ano pa bang silbi nyo dito? Ba't kayo nandito? 'Di ba? Pero sa USANA kasi maganda na yung products niya, but just the same, they're still thinking of ways and means to research, to improve, to modernize pa kung ano yung pwedeng ikaganda ng products. So, apart from that, USANA also has third-party certifications. So in that slide, 'di ba nakasulat FDA, NSF, USP, TGA, Consumer Lab. So ito na lang, hindi na lahat. I-search nyo yung USP. USP stands for United States Pharmacopeia. So yung USP, so kunyari, when we talk about the weather, if you wanna know what the weather would be tomorrow, kanino ka magtatanong? Sa kapitbahay mo? 'Di ba? Sa katabi mo? Hindi naman. You counter-check with Pag-asa. Kasi sila yung may satellites eh. Pero if you wanna know more accurate weather predictions, kahit weather sa Pilipinas, who's the supreme authority to say ano yung magiging weather bukas? It's NASA. Kasi they have more supreme weather satellites. Ngayon, when it comes to quality of multivitamins, mga supplements, mga gamot, who's the supreme authority worldwide? It's the United States Pharmacopeia, and USANA is certified by USP. So pwede palakpakan nyo nga. So, USANA is certified by the USP. So when we talk to people, actually maganda yung USANA, what's written on the label is actually what's contained by each and every tablet. Hindi to gaw-gaw. Sabi mo lang ba yun? Hindi. That's according to the USP. And USP is third party. So, apart from that, this is the brand trusted by so many Olympians, so many sports enthusiasts. And the brand is really, really so good. Ngayon, like what I've said, we're gonna focus today on Cell Essentials, the multivitamins. So, for a lot of people, they don't even know ano ba yung multivitamin. So, multivitamin is a compound word. So, pag sinabi natin multi, ibig sabihin samut-sari, or it's a variety of vitamins. And what are vitamins? So, when we say vitamins, these are molecules needed by your body, but the body is unable to produce these molecules that you need. So, vitamins are molecules that you need to live and you need to sustain your well-being. So, pag sinabi nating multivitamins, it's broad. Kasi yung multivitamin product, apart from containing vitamins, it also contains minerals. It also contains phytonutrients. It also contains trace minerals. Ngayon, di ba sabi natin samut-sari. So, ang dami-daming nakalagay. So ngayon, kung titingnan mo, if you were to check brands like, that starts with a letter C, di ba? So sabi nila complete from A to zinc. So sabi nila A to zinc. Pero sino bang nagsabi na lahat ng nilagay nila doon ay dapat nandun? Or sinong nagsabi kung ano lang yung nilagay nila doon, yun lang yung dapat nandun. So it's very subjective based on the view of the manufacturer. So ngayon, kung titingnan mo, whoever sells that brand that claims to be complete from A to zinc, ang goal lang naman nila is to sell as many vitamins as possible. Whereas the goal of Dr. Wentz is as much as possible to remove degenerative disease from the world population. 'Di ba? And at the same time, 'di ba, hindi lang to slogan. There are 150 PhD scientists na nagche-check ng bawat ingredient and bawat dose of USANA. So ngayon, kung titingnan nyo, ito, interesting fact about our Cell Essentials. One time, yung USANA, they were hiring consultants. How do we increase our sales? How do we increase our sales? Tapos sabi, for your Asian market, why don't you come up with a glutathione product? Tapos, dumating yung suggestion na yon sa research and development team ng USANA. Tapos nagalit daw si Dr. Wentz. Sabi, why are we gonna come up with a glutathione product? Sabi niya, number one, ang melanin natin, it actually provides skin protection from the sun. So, why do you want to be fairer and why do you want to make your skin weaker? We're not gonna do that for the sake of sales. So, sabi niya, we're gonna increase sales but not by trying to become popular. So, di ba, pag ganun, sobrang noble talaga ng intention ng company. And sabi niya, besides, lahat ng glutathione products per orem, yung tinitik mo orally, they're not effective. Kasi glutathione is very fragile. The moment dumaan siya sa acidity ng stomach, nasisira siya. So ngayon, yung mga umiinom ng glutathione capsules, wala, pinagloloko nila ang sarili nila. So sabihin nila, mentor, magpapa-inject na lang ako ng glutathione. That's really effective. Kaya lang, kung titingnan mo, what's the rare side effect of glutathione injections? There's such a thing called Steven Johnson's disease. Yung ininjectan ka ng glutathione, in less than 30 seconds, you're dead. So that happens in like 1 out of 10,000. So okay lang naman, try mo. Pero kung ma-jackpot ka, kung ma-jackpot ka, you're dead. Pero okay lang naman, 30 seconds lang naman, hindi ka naman magsasuffer. Diba? Just make sure you're insured. Para may maiwan ka sa pamilya mo. Anyway, ito. Yung power ng Cell Essentials natin, number one, ito in the Philippine setting, kung titingnan nyo, yung USANA, number one, it's a drug-registered product. Registered with the FDA of the Philippines. So, ngayon, ano yung classification ng USANA? It's classified as home remedy. So meaning to say, there's an approved therapeutic claim. So ano yung approved therapeutic claim? So it's for the treatment for vitamins and minerals deficiency. So syempre, you're taking multivitamins kasi kulang ka nga ng multivitamins, kulang ka ng sustansya. So ngayon, if you buy a multivitamin product, at wala siyang approved therapeutic claim, and ang nakasulat pa doon, no approved therapeutic claim. So, gusto mo ng vitamins, pero yung iniinom mo, placebo. Di ba sabi ng FDA, pinahintulutan namin silang ibenta ang produkto nila, but hindi namin yan na-check ng maayos. Hindi proven yung pinagsasabi nila. But just the same, sige, bilhin nyo, hindi ka mamamatay. Yun lang yun. Pero with USANA, if you're a person with vitamins and minerals deficiency, if you take Cell Essentials, gagaling ba yung deficiency mo? Yung pagkakulang mo sa vitamins and minerals? Yes. According to your upline ba yan? Hindi. That's according to the FDA. Ngayon, secondly, kung titingnan mo, yung USANA also has a potency guarantee claim by Dr. Myron Wentz. So Dr. Myron Wentz himself signed. Siya mismo as a founder. Sinasabi niya, this is complete, pure, and this is a very high quality product, and it's very safe, and you can take it and let your whole family take it. And at the same time, USANA also was given a patent. So, ano yung patent? So, binigyan sila ng, USANA was able to tweak their multivitamins. So, apart from multivitamins, meron siyang intelligence technology. So, ano yung intelligence technology? So, yung vitamins ng USANA, binubulungan daw yung body mo to repair itself and rejuvenate itself. So, hindi ka lang niya bibigyan ng vitamin A, vitamin B, ng phytonutrients. In a way, there's this molecular pathway na sasabihan daw yung body mo na, huy, regenerate yourself. Ngayon, di ba parang kalokohan? Pero it was granted an American patent. So for you to be granted a patent, hindi ka lang naman magsasabi ng kung anong kabalbalan. Di ba? You don't just go to the United States Patent Office and I would say, can you give me a patent for a time machine? And tatanungin muna, sige, pwede naman, pero can you show me, ano ba yung, paano ka ba, nakagawa ka na ba? Pakita mo sa akin yung technology behind it. So pag na-prove mo sa United States Patent Office, then they would give you a patent. So ngayon sabi ni Usana, uy, yung vitamins po namin, it also tells your body to repair itself, to rejuvenate itself. So they were asked to prove that sa United States Patent Office. And they were able to prove that successfully. Hence, they were given a patent. So kung titingnan mo, yung vitamins ng Usana, it's really not just a vitamin, it's really groundbreaking. So ngayon, what else sets the vitamins of Usana apart? So number one, it's complete. So when we say complete, di ba kunyari, Usana contains a compound called N-acetyl-L-cysteine. So, pwede akong multivitamin manufacturer and I don't put N-acetyl-L-cysteine. So meaning to say, kung ano yung formulation ko nung 80s, nung 90s, yun pa rin yung formulation ko till today. Isa yung sana, bago siya ng bago ng formulation based on ano ba yung latest literature, ano ba yung latest evidence. So, ngayon, if you want to take all the compounds na sinabi ng scientist na dapat i-take ng human person, it's all contained by our cell essentials. So, pwede palakpakan nyo yun. So, and actually, that's a genius thing. That's a genius thing, no? And this is such a wonder product to have. Imaginein mo, kunyari ang diet mo is tapsilog. Ang lunch mo is 2-piece chicken. Ang merienda mo is donut and coffee. Ang dinner mo is, I don't know, sinigang. 'Di ba? So just imagine, ano naman yung sustansya nung kinain mo? Wala yung vitamin B. 'Di ba? Wala yung broccoli extract, wala yung chromium picolinate. Pero just the same, you cannot modify your diet. It's an easy thing to say kasi na I'm gonna eat healthier. Pero it's such a difficult thing to comply to, sa totoo lang. 'Di ba? Pero okay na lang na sige, you're not a healthy eater, pero you supplement it with a multivitamin product that contains already everything that you need to be taking on a daily basis. Secondly, Usana products are balanced. So when we say balance, so kung titingnan mo yung Usana, kung babasahin mo yung label niya, parang 0.028 micrograms of this, 2.27 micrograms of that. So parang, bakit ganon? Bakit may mga butal? Di ba? Parang bakit nila pinapahirapan yung sarili nila? So yun yung sana kasi tinitingnan nila, ano yung perfect balance of the ingredients for the compounds to have the most optimal effect in the human body. So that's what they look at. Tapos thirdly, Usana products are potent. So, meaning to say, pag tinik mo yung Usana, talagang gagana siya. So there's such a thing as minimum effective dose. So kunyari, I have an infection and I need to take amoxicillin. Anong pe-prescribe sa akin ng doktor? 500 milligrams of antibiotic 3 times a day for 7 days. Ngayon, if I'm an adult, tapos I take amoxicillin, 100 milligrams, 3 times a day, it's not gonna cure me kasi it's not effective for adults. So, ganun din. If you take multivitamins, na your broad spectrum, ang dami mong ang laman, pero ang nilagay mo, kaperanggot ng vitamin A, kaperanggot ng vitamin B, kaperanggot ng vitamin C. So, totoo naman, you took a lot. You took several types. Pero, yung dosing niya is kulang-kulang. Whereas si Usana, ang nilalagay niyang dose is yung full dose that you need for it to be really effective in the human body. Fourthly, Usana is bioavailable. When we say bioavailable, if you drink it, it goes to your cells. So, for people na hindi rin medical background, what happens ba sa human digestion? Di ba you take something orally, it goes to your esophagus, from the esophagus, it goes to your stomach. From the stomach, it will travel through the small intestine. Kumakain kayo ng isaw? So, yung isaw is the small intestine. So ngayon, in the small intestine, yung small intestine natin, marami siyang blood vessels papunta sa heart. So ngayon, yung tinunaw sa stomach, it will go through the small intestine, and from the small intestine, all the nutrients is sucked towards the heart. So ngayon, from the heart, it will be pumped all throughout the body through the circulatory system. So in the blood, not only oxygen yung umiikot. Umiikot doon yung fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and samot-saring kung ano-anong component. Ngayon, if hindi, kunyari, you take something, tapos tinunaw na siya ng stomach mo, it passes through your small intestines. If hindi ka bioavailable, what will happen? Natapos na yung isaw, nandun na siya sa dulo ng isaw, pupunta na siya sa large intestine. Ano naman yung large intestine? Ia-absorb lahat ng water, excess water. Ngayon, from the large intestine, it will go to the rectum, then sa toilet bowl. So if your product is not bioavailable, unfortunately, you take a vitamin, tinunaw siya sa stomach, but it was not successfully absorbed in the small intestine, therefore, it will go directly to your toilet. So that's why a lot of doctors, sinasabi nila, ay, ba't ka nagpa-vitamins? That's kalokohan yan. Diba? That's like expensive waste. Pero ito, yung USANA, it's proven, it's highly bioavailable. For every 100 milligrams of USANA that you take, you're able to absorb 96 milligrams of USANA. So, majority of it does not go to waste. And fifthly, yung USANA products, they're all very safe to take. Again, that's not according to your upline. That's according to the studies done by the NSF, the USP, di ba, TGP, Consumer Lab. So, it's a very, very reputable brand. So ngayon, what's in the bottle? So like what I've said, ayan, broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Plus kung titingnan mo, yung exact number, 16 vitamins, 11 antioxidants, and 11 minerals. So I had so many people throughout the years, they would tell me, naku Ryan, wag mo na akong i-sales talk, ang mahal-mahal ng vitamins mo. Diba, hindi ko yan ma-afford. Pero ina-explain ko sa kanila, kunyari, you buy a multivitamin product. You don't just rely on what I'm gonna tell you now. Mamaya, after mo dito sa enterprise, punta ka sa drugstore. You can go to Mercury Drugstore, dampot ka lang ng any multivitamin product. It would probably contain like 5 vitamins, 3 antioxidants, tapos nakasulat sa likod, no approved therapeutic claims, made in Bulacan. Di ba? O ganyan. So, ganyan. Tapos, nakasulat doon, 14 pesos per tablet. Sasabihin nila, I'll stick to this. Well, number 1, it's no approved therapeutic claims. So why did you even take it in the first place? And number 2, sabihin na lang talaga natin, sige, what you wrote on the label ay talaga palang nandun sa tablet. But still, it's not the complete spectrum that you need. Ngayon, sabihin natin, ay, ang nakalagay lang doon, 5 vitamins, 3 antioxidants. Ngayon, kunyari, yung multivitamins mo does not contain lutein, yung vitamins for the eyes. Lahat ba ng tao kailangan ng lutein? Yes. Kasi as you grow older, probably not today, but as you get older, yung eyes natin lalabo. And yung lutein helps your eyes recover and maintain quality vision. Ngayon, if you take a multivitamin product, wala naman pala siyang lutein, you have to buy lutein separately. Ngayon, ang lutein is like 15 pesos per tablet. Ngayon, if you're diabetic or gusto mo bumilis yung metabolism mo, there's a compound contained in Cell Essentials called chromium picolinate. Yung chromium picolinate, it tells your pancreas na, huy, ang daming sugar, sunugin mo. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, kapag yung multivitamin product mo, walang chromium picolinate, makakabili ka naman ng chromium picolinate, but it's like 20 pesos per tablet. So just imagine, yung lutein alone, in yung chromium picolinate alone, that's already 35 pesos. Eh, isang pair ng Cell Essentials is 35 pesos. 'Di ba? So why would you buy those things separately? So, the last time personally I computed, kung bibili ka ng multivitamin product, tas bibilhin mo isa yung antioxidants separately, that would cost you around 400 to 500 pesos per day. 'Di ba? Sabihin mo ay mahal yung Cell Essentials. Pero sa totoo lang, kung magte-take ka ng 1 pair per day, that's already gonna be good for 16 weeks. 'Di ba? For like 4 months already. Whereas ito, 15,000 a month, sige, you stick to that. That's 60,000 every 4 months. 'Di ba? And ngayon, for me, 33 pesos, 36 pesos, 'di ba, for a pair of multivitamins that would keep you optimally healthy. But why would you scrimp on yourself? Tapos ito pa, you can take a picture of that QR code, scan nyo yan, you would be led to the patent document given to USANA. So you would be surprised. So, ano yung patent claim ng USANA? So, it's a patent daw for the vitamins na yung vitamins daw natin increases quality of life, increases lifespan. So, meaning to say, we get older, 'di ba? We cannot reverse aging, pero it slows down the wear and tear. It slows down the degeneration of your human body. Kaya kung titingnan mo, parang talaga 30 pesos a day, 33 pesos a day for something that would slow down yung pagkasira ng liver, ng kidneys, ng heart, ng skin, ng circulatory system. 'Di ba? That's very, very cheap sa totoo lang. And ito, why 2 tablets per bottle? So, kung titingnan nyo, sa buong mundo, USANA lang ang multivitamins na magkahiwalay ang vitamins, magkahiwalay ang minerals. So, the simple explanation, tinatanong ng iba, bakit magkahiwalay yung vitamins and minerals? Well, kung titingnan mo, a lot of adults, there are a good number of adults, they find it difficult to swallow tablets. So just imagine, kung i-combine mo into 1 tablet yung vitamins and minerals ng USANA, hindi na siya kayang lunukin ng majority of the adults. So that's one simple explanation. Secondly, if you combine the vitamins and minerals, so in pharmacology kasi, there are 3 types of interaction. So meaning to say, di ba meron tanong usually yung mga may maintenance, pwede ba itong isabay sa ganitong gamot? Pwede bang pagsabayin ito at saka ito? Kasi in pharmacology, there are 3 types of drug interactions. Number 1 is synergistic effect. So meaning to say, you take 1 drug plus another drug, the effect is parang effect siya of 3 drugs. Nagsisynergize siya, mas lumalakas yung power of both drugs. Ngayon, secondly, there's that additive effect. Yung you take 1 drug plus 1 drug, walang pakialamanan, so they do just what they're supposed to do. Ngayon, thirdly, there's a cancellation effect. So meaning to say, 1 drug plus 1 drug, they cancel out the effect of one another. So ngayon, nakapansin ng USANA, sa preparation nila, di ba sobrang daming compounds na yon, while in storage, it's best to keep the vitamins and minerals separately para they don't cancel out each other. Anyway, pag nagdating nila sa bloodstream, they go where they're supposed to go. Hindi naman na sila nagko-combine pa. Pero ito, USANA is ensuring na talagang effective and bioavailable yung products natin. So ngayon, what's the recommended dose? So for people, sinasabi nila, I'm on a very tight budget. So ako sinasabi ko, you can take 1 pair per day. Although the very minimum is 2 pairs per day. Ngayon, if you want to take the optimal dose, yung talagang full dose, mega dose of USANA, you can take as much as 4 pairs per day. So, ano yung difference ng 2 pairs and 4 pairs? Obviously, mas effective ang 4 pairs. So, just imagine, kunyari you're 30. Di ba maganda yung pagdating mo ng 50 years old, mukha ka lang 35, mukha ka lang 40? So, if you want to slow down the degeneration of your body, you can take more pairs as much as 4 pairs per day. So, ngayon, ito. Ano yung common effects reported by people who take Cellsentials? So, number 1, people who take Cellsentials, they notice a better immune system. So, maraming mga tao, observe nyo to sa office nyo for the people who are working. Di ba there are people na parang kunyari yung katabi niya may flu na rin siya. Tapos, the following week, may flu na naman yung katabi niya to the right, may flu na naman ulit siya. Tapos the following week, yung kamag-anakan niya, may reunion, may sakit, nahawa na naman siya. So parang lahat na lang ng strains ng coronavirus, talagang kinolekta na niya. 'Di ba? So parang lahat easily nagkakasakit siya, dali-dali. There are people naman na alam mo yung dumating na yung Delta variant lahat-lahat, alam mo yung asymptomatic lang, parang wala lang. Pero ano talaga sila? COVID positive. And what spells the difference between an asymptomatic and asymptomatic person pagdating sa mga viral spread? It's the immune system of the person. So if you're a person, you find yourself, palagi ka na lang may sakit, ang dali mong mahawa ng kung ano-ano, di ba mapuyat ka lang ng konti, may lagnat ka na the following day. Di ba? Yan ang makikita mo when you take Cellsentials consistently. Siguro you'd notice this effect, mga 2 weeks to a month after taking it consistently. Secondly, you'd have quality sleep. So, for a lot of people, alam mo yung natulog na sila ng 12 hours, pag gising nila, parang balisa pa din sila. Alam mo yung parang hindi sila rested. But there are people naman who sleep like 5 to 6 hours, pero pag gising nila, parang refresh na sila, rejuvenated sila. And there are people naman, like my mom. Yung mom ko, 68 years old na siya. So before, alam mo yung matutulog siya, tapos after like 4 hours, gising na siya. Kasi hindi na siya makatulog. Eh ngayon, studies show, if you're not sleeping 6 to 8 hours per day, you're predisposed to stroke. Kasi when you're asleep, yung blood pressure natin, bumababa siya to like 80 to 100 or 70 to 90. 70 over 90. So while you're sleeping, your circulatory system gets to rest. So ngayon, if you're not getting enough sleep, your circulatory system is not able to take that pause as much as it needs. Kaya if you're not getting 6 to 8 hours of sleep, start taking Cellsentials kasi it would regulate the quality of sleep and it would help you sleep more restfully and you'd have an easier time na makumpleto yung 6 to 8 hours of sleep mo. Thirdly, ito, very popular to sa Filipinos, pag nag-take sila ng Cellsentials, yung iba, para silang nag-LBM ng 2 to 3 days. And yung iba, nagre-reklamo, naku Ryan, nag-take ako ng Cellsentials, LBM ako ng LBM. And sa loob ko, ba't ka nagre-reklamo? Ayaw mo ba yung fact na nilabas mo lahat ng yun? 'Di ba? Gusto mo talaga siyang itago in your colon? 'Di ba? Kasi kung titingnan mo, for a lot of people, hindi talaga normal sa kanila yung nagpo-poop sila every day. So, yung iba, they poop like once every 2 days, once every 3 days. Or yung iba naman, alam mo yung pagising mo sa umaga, well, ako I cannot relate kasi I'm not working. Yung iba, di ba, nagising ka. Tapos, ang work mo kunyari is 8. And it takes you like 1.5 hours to go to work. Tapos you move your bowels, tapos parang hindi naman kompleto. Di ba? Kailangan mo nang tumayo. Tapos you need to run to the office. Ayaw mo rin mag-CR sa office, so bukas na lang ulit. So you kept it. Hindi, so you kept, di ba? Pero in plain terms, di ba, you kept that shit in your body. Di ba dumi yun? Tapos tinago mo talaga siya for 24 hours pa talaga. And ngayon, nakakatawa siya, pero what's the number one predisposing risk for colorectal cancer? It's constipation. So if you're constipated, don't be surprised, baka next week may cancer ka na. 'Di ba? So, yun. Baka ma-jackpot ka next week. We don't know. So, I mean, that also includes yung mga taong they don't move their bowels fully. So when you move your bowels, it should be fully removed. Kasi just imagine, kung ito yung sac ng rectum mo, alam mo yung when there's dirt dyan 24/7, nai-irritate din yung lining ng rectum. Kasi it's not supposed to be there 24/7. Diba? So, mag-ingat-ingat kayo. So, it would regularize your bowel movement. Kaya lang yun, meron mga tao, ang complaint nila for 2 to 3 days para silang LBM ng LBM, which is a good thing kasi nakiklense yung colon mo. Fourthly naman ito, you'd have healthy skin. Not necessarily whiter skin. Pero 'di ba, meron mga tao na parang when you look at them, parang yung skin tone nila all over their body, parang very even, very glowing. Again, not necessarily fair skin. Pero meron namang iba, alam mo yung nagpa-derma na lahat-lahat, nagpa-belo na lahat-lahat. Parang yung quality talaga ng skin nila is really not so nice. So, ngayon, kung titingnan mo, what you take inside your body also reflects on your skin. Kasi 'di ba the skin is the largest organ of the human body. So ngayon, what you take in also correlates to ano ba yung overall nourishment ng skin mo. It's not just what you apply sa skin. It's also what you take intracellularly. And fifthly, ito, you'd have better metabolism and more energy. So, di ba meron mga taong, ano ba to, kain ng kain, hindi naman tumataba. Or yung iba, hindi naman pala kain, pero biglang ang taba. So, meron naman din iba, alam mo yung, di ba meron mga morning people, yung pag sa umaga, parang super bibo kid. Yung parang they can do everything in the world that they have to do for the day. Kaya lang, pagdating ng hapon, para na silang tuliro. Alam mo yon, kahit mag-coffee sila. Or meron namang iba, very sluggish sa umaga. Pagdating sa hapon, doon nagpipeak yung energy nila. Ngayon, when you take Cell Essentials, ito yung common complaint ng mga tao, para silang nakadrugs, antukin daw sila ng sobra-sobra. So that's a healing reaction from the vitamins. Parang kung, just imagine, kung napuyat ka naman nga talaga for like 30 years of your life, di ba? So gusto ni Cell Essentials, bawiin yung rest that you lack. Pero, once you get past that healing reaction phase, makikita mo yung energy mo throughout the day would be more constant. Diba? So, ngayon, those are the 5 common things. But other than that, marami pa talagang iba. So, ngayon, when you recommend Cell Essentials to a person, ako, I also follow this. So, Miss Daisy taught this last week. And when we were sharing, sabi ko, ikaw, Miss Daisy, what do you do ba when somebody buys? And sa kanya, she does follow-ups. And sabi ko, in a way, this is what I do also. So, supposing somebody buys from me today, of course, I would say, thank you, ganyan, collect the payment. Tapos the following day, I would ask, uy, Miss Badette, tinake mo na ba yung Cell Essentials? Continue mo take ka. Kasi yung iba, they buy from you, tapos nilalagay lang sa taas ng ref. They forget to take it. Tapos after following up ng 1 month, ay, hindi ko pa pala ininom. 1 month na, nandun sa ref. So dito, you follow up, take mo, consistently, kahit 1 to 2 pairs per day o kung gusto mo 4 pairs per day. And ako, it's also my habit. Kunyari, bumili siya ng Cell Essentials from me. You can go to the YouTube account of Usana and meron doon 4-minute video yung Cell Essentials. And I would copy the link. Hi, Miss Badette, take time to watch this video. Diyan ina-explain in full what Cell Essentials does to your body. So ngayon, I don't know naman talaga if they would really take time to watch it. Pero if they watch it, they would all the more realize, oh my God, ang ganda pala talaga ng intelligence. Oh my God, ang ganda pala talaga ng vitamins. And I already had two people, they became regular customers of mine. Kinontak lang ako, "Hi Ryan, you were referred by ganito, Miss Jean." Tapos sasabihin ko, okay, so she explained Yusana to you. Sabi niya, hindi. Sabi lang niya, she's taking Yusana, tapos she forwarded the video to me. Anyway, can I order? Ganon. Just because of that YouTube video link. 'Di ba? So, kunyari, bumili sila ng optimizer. Ganon din. Yung what proflavanol does, what Procosa does. So, kasi ako, as much as possible, I don't want to explain in full length what the product does. Kasi nagmumukha akong sales person. Bumili na siya eh. So, to follow na lang yung video. Pag napanood niya, mas mamamindset siya why the product is really so good. Ngayon, on the fourth day, tatanungin ko, "Uy, Miss Badet, kumusta? How's your sleep? How's your bowel movement?" To sa kanila, "Ay, oo nga, para akong nag-LBM. Hindi, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan up to the 7th day." Tapos makikita nila, yan, nag-normalize na Ryan. Ang ganda talaga ng product. Ngayon, this is 147. That's the basic follow-up. And usually, after a month or when they reorder, I would ask for referrals. So, "Uy, Miss Badet, favor naman kasi I'm trying to sell more Cell Essentials. Do you have friends who we could help na alam mong constipated, suffering from this, suffering from that?" And when they refer people to you, number one, they would not refer somebody na walang tiwala sa kanila. So when they refer, automatically, pag sila yung nagsabi, the person would believe. And more importantly, they would not refer somebody na walang pambayad. Kasi they themselves know ano yung price point ng Yusana. So the moment they refer somebody, trusted naman na sila ng person and may pambili naman yung person, and ako, based on my experience, 95% of the time, the referrals really buy from me. So para kung ni-network yung customer, para kung meron invisible network of customers, kakahingi ng referrals. So, ngayon, how do you powerfully share Cell Essentials? So, yung iba kasi sinasabi nila, kaya lang, jahe mentor, hindi naman ako magaling magbenta, hindi ako magaling mag-sales talk. I'm not sure if I could sell the products. Well, number one, create your own Cell Essentials story. So when we say create, wala akong sinabing mag-imbento ka. Diba? You take the products and you start to notice and see for yourself, ano ba yung power ng Cell Essentials based on your own experience. And then when you try to share it, you don't share it out of the blue. Alam mo you talk to the person, you build rapport, and after building rapport, di ba, you try to find common ground. That's the time you try to bridge the conversation about health, about vitamins, about Cell Essentials. And after that, pag nakita mo namang nagsispark na ng interest, that's the time you share your experience about Cell Essentials. So in more detail, yung powerful sharing of Cell Essentials, let's go to establishing rapport first. So ang goal when you establish rapport is to build trust and connect mentally and emotionally with your client. So how do you do that? So number one, you need to give an honest, open, and trusting compliment. So, I'll share. Ito si Miss Meng. So, amiga to ni Ma'am Duday Gaston. One time, I was in Starbucks, Greenbelt 1. Di ba yung Starbucks na yun before? Sobrang sikip. So, nakaupo ako in one table, and in parang 5 inches away is yung kabilang table na. So, mag-amiga sila. I believe that time, they were in their 50s. Sabi nila, parang they were talking about Ogilvy and Mather. It's like, parang a marketing advertising firm dito sa Makati. Sabi nila yung ad ni ganito, sobrang ganda, yung ad ni ganyan, sobrang ganda, ganito, what works now sa Filipino. So ako naman, it was not my intention to eavesdrop. Kaya lang, sobrang magkadikit talaga yung table namin. Tapos ako naman, I was just being adventurous. So lumingon ako. Sabi ko, ma'am, parang it seems like you're experts po in marketing. Sabi ko, I'm trying to market my product. Are you familiar with Yusana? Tapos, itong si Miss Meng, parang she turned around, parang attribido naman tong batang to. Parang I'm talking to my friend, tapos sumisingit-singit ka. Sabi niya, ako, wag mo kaming bentahan ngayon. Kunin mo yung number ko. Mag-usap tayo sa ibang araw. Sabi ko, are you always in Makati lang po ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Pero when I'm here, get in touch with me na lang. Don't disturb us. So, binigyan niya yung number niya. Tapos, one time, I asked her, Miss Meng, could we meet for coffee? I'll just explain what my brand does. Sabi niya, sure. Puntahan mo ko sa Santa Mesa. Sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko sa Makati, Santa Mesa mo ako pinapupunta. But anyway, well, that day, di ba yan, physical appearance matters. At that time, galing ako sa parang Yusana event dyan sa AIM. So parang I was wearing a coat, ganyan. So parang medyo gutsy ako to approach a stranger. Kasi hindi ako mukhang gusgusin that day. So, nung nag-meet kami, then explain ko sa kanya yung kinakausap ko muna siya. Sabi ko, so you've been in advertising. You've heard about Yusana. Sabi niya, oo nga, your brand is premium, but I've never tried. Ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, anyway, a lot of Filipinos nga, they think the brand is expensive. Pero sa totoo lang, it's actually cheaper than most brands in the market. Tapos sabi niya, talaga ba? Tapos, sabi ko, yeah, and yung brand is so good. Kasi yung mom ko, tinitake niya, yung friends nila mom ko, ganyan. So she bought that day, wala akong dalang products Cell Essentials lang. But anyway, she ended up buying Procosa and calcium. And this was like 7 years ago. And every month, she still orders a bottle of calcium and Procosa. And now, plus Cell Essentials. So ano lang yun, ng hi, hello, I was complimenting, I think you're experts in ganyan. I'm trying to market my brand. So you're throwing a compliment. So another time, in swimming, so meron akong kasabay sa lake. Ito yung lane ko, ito yung lane niya. So sabi ko, wow, ang ganda naman ng form mo. Ay, pero hindi yun honest compliment. Binobola ko lang siya. So sabi ko, you swim a lot also. Sabi niya, yeah, ganyan. So usap. Tapos sabi ko, yeah, ang hirap nga ng endurance talaga in swimming. Buti na lang I take Yusana. Sabi ko, yun nga yung brand ng US swim team eh. It's really true. Yung buong, yung US swim team, USA Swimming, so yung buong swimming organization in the United States, they're tied up with Yusana. They don't take any other vitamins other than Yusana. Sabi niya, talaga, athletes use your brand. So, umorder siya. Tapos till now, it's been like a year ago, every month, he orders like mga 150 to 200 points per month just for his personal consumption. So ako, when I was starting, ang problema ko, wala akong mabentahan. Parang yung auto-order ko, parang nagpapatong-patong. Hindi ko pa nabenta yung initial products, tapos bibili na naman. Right now, I think I'm able to retail mga 500 to 700 points a month on top of yung auto-order of our account. So, kakaganon lang ng kakaganon. And ngayon, so, of course, after, ito na, di ba ang goal lang naman sa simula talaga is to build connection, build rapport. So as you're chatting, di ba tanong ka, where do you work? What do you do? Talaga, masakit yung balakang mo. Di ba? So, ito, lead conversation towards health. And almost always naman, yung mga tao, lalo na 30s and up, they already have health conditions. Hindi man sila, pero yung parents nila. Or wala man silang health condition, pero believe it or not, yung mga 20s, 30s ngayon, they really have this aspiration to really be healthy. Di ba kaya nga nauuso yung calisthenics, nauuso ang CrossFit, nauuso ang marathon. Di ba sa mga bata, usong-uso ang exercise? Bakit? Kasi they really want to be healthy. And then ngayon, the moment health na yung usapan, you can start sharing your Cell-Essentials story. So, one thing, so parang I met somebody, sabi niya, sobrang sakit ng fingers niya. And nakausap ko lang din to sa coffee shop. Sabi niya, gusto daw niya yung Yusana, she stopped taking kasi sobrang mahal. And she's taking a cheaper brand. And gusto kong sabihin, wala kang common sense. 'Di ba? Parang sana nag-stop ka na lang mag-vitamins kasi wala rin namang katuturan yung cheaper brand na tinake mo. So anyway, sabi niya, parang kwentuhan. Sabi niya, sobrang sakit ng finger niya, meron siyang trigger finger, and parang she's due for surgery. Anyway, it's not a major surgery. Ang gagawin, mag-i-incision lang ng konti, tapos puputulin yung matigas na tendon, tapos mas-straighten na niya yung finger niya. So sabi ko, oh, yung mom ko ganyan din eh. She was recommended for surgery. Kaya lang pinatake ko siya nung ganitong product ng Usana. Okay naman yung finger ng mom ko, hindi na siya nag-surgery. Tapos sabi niya, talaga ba? Pabili nga. So, yun, bumili na rin siya ng Procusa. Diba, just keep sharing the stories. Yun, it's as simple as that. And ito, how do you create loyal customers? So meaning to say, if somebody buys from you, ang gusto mo, they buy again and again. So, you don't want na one-time sale lang, na basta mabentahan mo lang, kasi nagustuhan nila yung product eh. Diba, it's easier to retain than to acquire. Kasi retain is nandyan na siya eh. Bumibili na eh. So, i-maintain mo na lang siya. So, number one, you need to deepen the customer relationship. So, ito, one customer of mine, sobrang lakas nitong bumili. One time, a good friend of mine, niloloko niya ako, kasi meron daw makulit na insurance agent, kinukulit siyang bumili, ayaw niya. Sabi niya, oh, maybe you can refer somebody. So, nang walang pahintulot, binigay naman niya yung number ko. Sabi niya, oh, sabi ni ganito, you're very much interested to buy insurance. Sabi ko, not really po, I don't believe in insurance. Sabi niya, but anyway, sabi niya, sige na, let's have coffee kahit sa place of work mo. I'll just come to you, just give me time. So, pumunta siya dito, tapos she was explaining yung mga pag when you die, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, thanks, but I'm invested in many other things. Sabi ko, but thanks for explaining. Tapos dumating si Mentor Raj. Tapos umupo si Mentor Raj. Tapos sabi niya, anyway, what do you guys do? Nandito ba yung office niyo? Sabi ko, yes po, we're with you sana. Sabi niya, what's that? Sabi ni Mentor Raj, it's the vitamins used by the Women's Tennis Association. Tapos this girl, parang 50s na siya, sabi niya, oh wow, talaga? Tapos as it turns out, hindi naman namin alam, yung kids niya, from grade school till college, were trained to play tennis, as in on a professional level. So yung kids niya studied in London and in California on scholarships because of tennis. Tapos, sabi niya, talaga ba, yan yung ginagamit nila Serena Williams? So, pinakita namin yung video ng WTA and Usana. Sabi niya, sige nga, I'll order. Tapos till now, I think every 2 months, she orders like 30,000 worth of Usana. This is not an exaggeration. So, ngayon, yung deepen the customer relationship, so, nangyari for like a year, bili siya ng bili, like 30,000. Yun sa loob-loob ko, parang wow, ang yaman mo naman. Di ba? Parang, I mean, for her to be able to afford that. Kasi nagtitake lang siya and yung husband niya. So, after a year, sa kakakulit niya ng kakakulit sa akin, wala na akong nagawa at bumili ng insurance from her. Kasi nakakahiyang mag-refuse. Di ba, ang kapal naman ng mukha ko, after a year, hindi pa rin ako bumili ng insurance. Pero like 5 years into it, kasi pag Christmas, as in magdi-dinner kami, tapos kasama si Mentor at yung ibang friends na mga parang naging, kasi yung ibang clients niya, nirefer din niya ng mga Usana. To a point na nagbabayad na yata ako ng 600,000 a year sa insurance policies para sa kanya. Pero gano'n naman, order naman din siya ng order ng Usana sa akin. So sabi niya, oh Ryan, if you have time, let's play tennis in Metro Club. Alam niyo yung Metro Club? It's like the club across Rockwell. Sabi niya, you can use my membership. Sabi ko, sige, Miss Jean. So, gano'n. So parang naging friends na lang din yung mga customers. Tapos, ito, you have to remember significant life events. So kapag Mother's Day, di ba, Father's Day, Happy Birthday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, as in really take time to greet. And ako, I don't greet as much as possible through Messenger. Nag-greet pa rin ako through text. Kasi parang I don't know, feeling ko lang mas effortful, mas thoughtful. Kaysa yung parang pass the message siya Facebook. Di ba na kung, hey, Fatsoy, may dragon, forwarded a message. So, I really still greet through text. Tapos, ito pa, something I remember from Ma'am Duday. Sabi niya, every time you're in conventions, wag mo nang bilhan ng pasalubong yung mga downline mo. Sabi niya, when you come home from abroad, instead na bigyan mo ng pasalubong, you eat with them, tapos kwentuhan mo sila what happened. 'Di ba? Ang bilhan mo ng pasalubong, yung mga customers mo. 'Di ba? Bigyan mo ng towel, bigyan ng, alam mo yung, ano mo talaga, na yusana. So, ito. Also, ito, go the extra mile. So, pwede namang ilala-move na lang, i-auto-order na lang. Pero ako, I still take time to meet. Lalo na yung mga bumibili ng more than 20,000 per order from me. So, there's this person, dyan, taga-Rockwell lang naman siya. Bumibili siya once every quarter. Yun naman, mga 50,000 every order. So, ano ba yan? Mahilig siya maghalo-halo. Di sige, maghalo-halo na tayo. Libre ko na, 50,000 naman yung order mo. Di ba? So, yan. You have to go the extra mile and do things with them na fun. Yung parang nagiging friends mo na rin talaga sila. And ito, yan. Respect and compliment. So, it doesn't matter, di ba, ano yung political leanings mo. Pero sabi nga nila, socially, there are two unacceptable topics. Politics and religion. Di ba, keep that to yourself. Kasi wala ka na, ito anyway, hindi siya related to you sana. Sabi nila, di ba, when it comes to politics, like 90-95% are already dead set with their views. Unless tutukan mo sila ng barel, hindi naman na magbabago yung pananaw nila. Ngayon, if you would insist on your view, hindi mo na nga sila na-convince, may nabuisit pa sa'yo sa kaka-insist mo. 'Di ba? Sa totoo lang, ang moderates, meaning to say, yung changeable pa talaga yung opinion nila, mga 3 to 5% lang yan every election. So, wag ka nang mangampanya ng todo-todo. 'Di ba? Well, I mean, it won't amount to much, sa totoo lang. And ngayon ito, keep them updated. So, kapag may promo si Yusana, kapag may kung anong pakana si Yusana, you can keep them in the loop. So, kunyari, may event, business summit. Uy, if you have time, maybe I have a free ticket. Maybe you want to check it out. And yung ibang tao, talagang they really come naman. Lalo na yung mga taong who have been taking Yusana for a year, 2 years. Parang they're curious na rin how the business works behind the good product. So, ito. So, right now, we will have a drill. So, for 5 minutes lang, I want you guys to look for a partner. So, meaning, one-to-one. Yung isa would pretend to be a customer, and yung isa, you don't have to pretend. You're really a Yusana distributor. So, find a partner na hindi mo kilala. So number 1, you would try to build rapport. And as you're conversing, you would try to lead the conversation to health. And towards the end, you would try to upsell Yusana during that conversation. So later also, I would ask for volunteers. Pero right now, try nyo lang. I mean, it's not as difficult as you think. It's actually very fun. All right? So your timer starts now. Ay, okay lang. Sabihin ko mag-switch sila. Guys, so guys, hello. So let's try switching. So kung ikaw yung kaninang kino-convince, try mo naman ikaw yung magko-convince sa kausap mo. So another 2 minutes. Okay na, Brother Joe.
Another minute. Ingay pa eh.
So, time's up, guys. Hello. So, ito, can I ask everybody, hello? Wow, parang ang dami nun niya yatang nabenta. Product sold out. So anyway guys, can I ask for one pair of volunteers to share in front like ano yung conversation that transpired. So let's start. So any volunteers? O voluntold daw. So, anybody who wants to share? Ayan. So, meron nang naturo. Pag wala si Maya na lang yung Ayan. So guys, ito, everybody you watch. So can you introduce yourselves to the crowd?
Mic test. Hello. Yusana morning. All right. Anyway, I'm Leo Gatbonton from Laguna. Ano ba? More than 5 years na ako sa business and achiever.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Josh Ricodo, from Team Level Up. Okay. A former marketing in Ayala company before.
Ang gagawin natin?
So yung gagawin natin ngayon, they're gonna simulate in front ano yung naging conversation nila kanina. So you'd have a better idea how it really plays out sa labas.
Okay. Anyway, ganito yung storya namin. So, lalakad kami, and then, uy, hi! Hindi ko pa alam yung pangalan niya. Cold Market, di ba? Cold Market, ayan. So, hi! Ganda ng katawan mo, Nag-gym ka ba?
Actually, hindi. Pero I'll do something na magwo-work at like jogging, exercise,
talaga?
badminton, ganyan.
Actually, good yan kasi lalo ngayon, di ba? Ang daming nag-jogging,
Yeah.
daming into health talaga. So, do you take anything para at least to support yung energy mo para nag-ano ka pag nag-exercise o tumatakbo?
Actually, naglilis lang ako ng mga pagkain and then curious lang ako sa mga kinakain ko talaga everyday. So, and also, yung food ko everyday, kailangan nakaalat siya kung ano yung kinakain ko eh.
Oh, grabe, no? Actually, bihira ako makakausap lang ganyan. Pero, by the way,
Yeah.
alam mo, may kaibigan ako ganyan din eh. Pero may sinabi sa akin, may ginagamit siyang magandang supplement. Are you into supplement also?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
So anyway, ito yon, no? Hindi ko pa siya alam, pero isasama niya raw niya ako doon sa parang, I think, training yata yon or something, no? So, ang maganda dito kasi, ang sinabi niya sa akin, yun daw supplement na to, kompleto, no?
Oh, really?
Diruin mo, sabi niya 13 minerals, 11 vitamins and 11 powerful antioxidant, ha? Sabi ko, why not? So I think baka naman pwede ka ring mag-try if you want.
Yeah, pwede naman. Actually, open naman ako to take supplements kasi before nagtitake talaga ako eh.
Ayan, okay. So pwede ba kitang invite kasama ng friend ko rin?
Sure, kailan?
Siguro, ayan. Next week. Ayun lang.
Pwede palakpakan nyo guys, Coaches Leo and Josh. So, di ba nakita nyo, it's so simple. Parang conversational lang naman talaga to really share you sana. So, pwede palakpakan nyo sila once again. Thanks guys. So, anyway, just to recap everything that we discussed today. So, gaano kadali mag-share ng Usana? So, there are only 3 steps. So, number 1, you build that connection, that relationship. Alam mo yung you converse, you show interest. While at the same time, every time humaharap ka sa tao, dapat mukha kang tao. Di ba? Mukha kang credible. So secondly, ito, you build belief towards the brand. You build belief towards what they would possibly experience when they start taking Usana. And then, thirdly, you want them to take action. Start buying the product, patronizing the product, and furthermore, you keep the relationship, diba? You build an even stronger relationship throughout the years. Like what I've said, you don't want the person buying once. You want to maintain that customer relationship with them lifetime. So, for your assignment, ito, may assignment pala dito, no? So, ganito lang. Gagawa ka lang ng share list 100. So, ano tong share list 100? It's so simple. List down like 20 names of your family members, 20 names of your friends, church mates, office mates, and other kung sino mang mates that you have. And basically, these are the people that you would want to share Usana to. So, anyway, that's all from me for today. Thanks for listening and let's all stay for Module 2.